that I know what matters most. My loneliness is just a ghost that I've tucked away beneath the floor. And so it's free to haunt me, oh nevermore. It's free to hang on someone else, for I have no need for how it felt. It was a hopelessness that's best ignored, so I cast it out, oh evermore. That's just how long I'll lift you up, and I'll hold the doors from swinging shut, and I'll defend you with a lion's roar, but speak to you sweetly, oh evermore. Evermore my heart is yours, for time, it has its way of breaking its promises made. But I swear, 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 I swear it evermore. The time and the time before, evermore, evermore my heart is yours. Now that I know what matters most, my loneliness is just a ghost